Alright guys, so I'm back, and as you know, Gool is one of my favorite new companies um, because when things run well, then it is definitely Gool enough. But let's see. This is supposed to be waterproof, or at least it says it's waterproof. It's supposed to be brushless, and let's hope it is. It comes with a Dean's connector, which I will probably have to change because I don't think I have anything Dean's. But I've got another battery that goes in there. And the manual hopefully will be as helpful as the one that was brushed that I bought for the Exceed RC car that was messed up. But that was not a brushless system. So one will be brushless, the other one won't. We'll try to figure out what's going on. And hopefully we won't blow anything up or put anything on fire.
Likey